Sa mesa tayo, mesa? Sa Greenwich. Ay, sa Greenwich tayo. Dito tayo, ganito na tayo maglibot. Hello mga kaogang tindera ko! Well, andito po kami ngayon sa mall, sa Vista Mall, dito po sa Taguig. Kasama ko po yung mga kasama ko sa BHW. Kami po yung mga BHW po ng barangay ng Friday PM duty. Ayan, nandito po kami. Mag-celebrate lang po kami ng aming Christmas party na aming PM lamang po, yung aming duty lamang po, no? Dito po yun sa sa may Vista Mall sa Greenwich mga kaogang. So nag-share po kami para i-treat namin ng bawat isa. Ayan po. Masaya naman po kami. Nag-long table po kami, siguro 3 to 4 tables po kami sa labas. Ayan, medyo marami din pong tao. At ayan, nagkukwentahan na po kami kung magkano po yung aming parte-parte, no? So, ganyan lamang po at konting kasiyahan na pero masaya po talaga. At yung iba hindi po nakasama dahil nga po mayroong mga pupuntahan pang iba at mayroon pa silang na schedule na nauna na kaya hindi sila nakasama at yung iba naman masama yung pakiramdam. Actually 11 kami dapat, so 8 lang kami natuloy. Ayan, syempre si Ogang, ayan, kuha ng video at ayan, yan po yung aming kakainin, lasagna at saka po pizza na malalaki po. Ayan. Sarap po ng kain namin. Get together po kami kasi magkakaroon na po kami rin po ng reshuffle by this January. So, kakaroon po kami ng meeting. So, kaya nag-decide po kami na mag-get together baka kasi ma-reshuffle na po kami sa ibang duty, no? Kaya nag-decide po kami na mag-get together po kasi hindi namin alam baka next week hindi na kami magkakasama, hindi na kami magkakagrupo. Syempre ilang taon din kami magkakasama, no? At syempre mamimiss namin ng isa't isa, no? Yan po yung Friday PM duty, no? Namin. So, yan po yung grupo namin. So, bawat araw may 11 na BHW na pumapasok. Bukod pa po yung AM, bukod pa po yung PM. Kaya, syempre, malungkot na masaya, pero okay lang po yun. At least, nagkasama-sama kami at then mapunta man kami sa ibang grupo ay ganun din ulit, no? Magkakaroon kami ulit din ng bonding at nakikilala namin yung bawat BHW na mga tigawawa kasi minsan syempre kahit BHW hindi mo alam na ay hindi mo rin kabatian, 'di ba? So yun, masaya, 'di ba? Kaya karon kami ng bonding. Well anyway, thank you so much mga kaogang. Odlon lang po tayo. Stay tuned. Two old friends meet again, meeting old faces, and talk about the places they have been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How they're going to know someday they meet again and have a need for more reminiscence. Maybe this time they'll laugh and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do is so instinctive, it's a passion. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people with actives. Being negative, you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay and last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's working his life.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. The consequence of the ending complicated. Mental health is confidence, dreams isn't listening. So I'm here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Grab it, I'ma let you go. Make yourself unstoppable. You're irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, it could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I had for several ages of making. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through
Alright mga kaogang, naaliw ba kayo sa kanta kong Maybe This Time? Ayan. Ay, hindi ko alam kung makaka-copyright dyan or ano. Sayang kung makaka-copyright, hindi mapapakinggan yung aking tunay na boses, na golden voice ko. Pero yan ay pumasa kay Lolo, mapapakinggan nyo yan. Well anyway, yun po ay aking alay sa inyo mga kaogang. Hanggang sa muli mga kaogang, marami pong salamat sa pagsuporta. Alright!